Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's sponsor is LASFIT. So we will be installing this one. So first we will be unboxing this and then we will installing it behind the seat in the back row. I already installed the LASFIT anti-kick pads on front. So LASFIT contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing this. So we're gonna open it up, install it, and I'll give you my review of the product. So this arrived like after I placed the order online. A week later, it arrived. So here we will be installing this. So it's made of plastic material with a Velcro in here. So we're gonna look for the user manual, and then we'll install it. Okay. So there are a total of 3 pieces inside the box. Okay. So here's the manual. Package includes 3 pieces. So it goes adjust and move the seat to expose the underseat sliding tail. Find the corresponding installation location and then tuck it along the bottom of the metal track. Firmly press to make the Velcro firmly adhere to its contact surface. So we're gonna look for this shape. So this must be the middle. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like before we install this. So let's move forward the seat. And then I'm gonna do the other side. All right, guys, so the two sides appears to be identical. So I'm just gonna position this one, this on the other side, and then this one here. So put this like that. So this is like a carpet material. So if you have a Velcro, it will stick to it. Okay. So it should snug like that. So I'm gonna go to the front. All right, guys. So if you notice, this one shorter here and longer here. So this would go to the driver's side. Okay. It will wrap around this right here. So the short one will go in the front. The longer one will go in the back. So we're gonna insert the front first, like that, like so. There you go. And then put this to the back. Okay, so you pull the back like this, like so, and then snug it like that. So remember, there's a Velcro, and this one right here is a carpet-like material. So there's a Velcro, so it fits snugly like that. All right, and then once you install the back, you just kind of set it from the back to front. So as you can see, it is now snugly fit like that. Look at that. It's very nice. So it protects your siding here because it's got the carpet-like material. And then you can put back your um, carpet and floor mat. All right, one down, two more to go. So let's go on the other side. All right, guys, as you can see, the material on this part of the car is carpet. So think about this. If there's mud or you accidentally kick when you get into the car, so it smudges your carpet and it's hard to clean. Whereas if you have something like this, like that, you can just wipe it out. So that's why you have this protection that you can install on your Model Y. So I'm going to install the right side, which is the passenger side of the car. So do the front first, lift up the carpet and your floor mat, insert this one. There you go. And then you fit it snugly like that. So fits like a glove. Put back your carpet, and if you have a floor mat, so this one goes around. There you go. I can lift up the carpet, not the carpet, but the floor mat like that, or I can just leave it like that. I'll just leave it like that, and then it will just snugly fit. Press it so that the Velcro will stick to the side. Looks pretty good. Let's install the middle. This is pretty easy. You just press it, and then you get a Velcro. Like that. For the front, guys, we have to do this right here. So this design is really, look at that, precision fit. Look at that. It's awesome. It's precision fit. This is another LASFIT product that I installed. This is the front kick pad, and now I have this, so it gives you more protection on your vehicle from mud, dust, or whatever the case may be, because it's easy to just wipe it rather than maybe wash your carpet there. So let's do the other side. So this one, guys, this is from the center. So you just pull it, and there is this area where you can insert this one like that. Look at how precise that measurements are. Pretty awesome, huh? Like that. It fits. Snug it right there. And then again, I have this LASFIT also that I installed. This is the side. And then let's, now that we already position it real nice for front, we'll see how it looks in the back. All right, we have the driver's side, you have the center, and the passenger side right there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. So please do hit that subscribe button and the like. I have other videos. I have the installation video for the other last fit, the one that I have for the front, for the uh, kick pad for the front, and I have other videos from other accessories as well. And please don't forget, if you use my code Jules Acampanado, you get 15% off of your order. And LASFIT also do some other promotion, so you may get more than 15%, but depends on the season. But nevertheless, you can still use my 15% off by using Jules Acampanado as your code. Thank you once again, and until the next video. Bye bye.